Hey everyone, I'm back to share my ambassador team package that I got in the mail actually yesterday, I believe, and some of the things I've been working on. Not a finished project, but I wanted to give you a peek because I think I told you guys I was working on something. So I got a chance to do some coloring. Here's a little peek at something I'm going to be working on, and hopefully I'll either record some of it or I'll just show you the finished project or projects, whatever comes up. So this is some coloring I've done, and these are stamps that were released, I believe, in November, maybe December, I can't remember now, from AdornIt, from illustrated by Dianna Marcum. So I've used a couple of the different stamps that came out, and they're all gingerbread, so this is going to be a gingerbread themed project. Wanted to give you a peek. And then I also wanted to share with you the stamps that I received. I don't know which is the monthly recipe club stamp because I have two in here. Or if both of them are, I don't know. So as you can see, we have two recipe stamps. One is butter up biscuits and the other one is sausage gravy. And I think this would be maybe the December release or maybe January. I don't know. So this is the butter up biscuits. You can see the bowl. And then there's this big wooden spoon and a banner here. So you do get an extra spoon here and the word biscuits. And there's a nice little heart with a little curly Q there. I don't know how long. Let's see. How big is this stamp? It is it's about 4 3/4 inches. Tall, and I don't know if I've got a card around here. Hold on one second. Okay, this is an A2 size card. This is the back of one of my cards here, so you can kind of see how it would look on a card size. So it does fit on the front of a card. So that's the butter up biscuits recipe stamp. And then we also have a sausage gravy recipe stamp. Now this is very southern, I think. So maybe I don't know. You can get this pretty readily anywhere here where I live. So there's a nice size recipe stamp there. Now this one you should note. It has this note right here at the bottom. So that's what's going to make it hang off of, say, an A2 size card. This little note here. So if you want to try and fit it to the front of a card, my suggestion is you don't ink this portion here, and maybe you put that on the inside of the card or something like that, because it just says doubling biscuit and gravy recipes, feeds 12 to 14. So you don't necessarily need that to complete the recipe. So just don't ink that portion up. Maybe you put a piece of tape over it close to where the little pan is, but that's just a tip there. And then the largest stamp here that I also received is a 6x8. So maybe one is the add-on, I don't know. And maybe this is an extra. But you've got another pan here. And my guess is this is cast iron, supposed to be like a cast iron pan. And then you've got this little teacup with probably gravy. And then lots of different sentiments here. A little heart banner, that's really cute. That can be used for a lot of things. And this really large heart here with a ribbon through it. So that's what I wanted to share with you all for now. Hopefully I'm back soon with a completed project to share with you all. But for those of you who saw my last video, yes, my puppy is doing better. He's not a puppy. He's almost, 12. So he's doing a little bit better, but we're still, having to assist him with walking in and out of the house, as well as feeding. At feeding time, we have to kind of hold him up. So yeah, he is doing a little bit better. Thanks for your thoughts on that, and I hope you all have a happy new year, as this video is being filmed before New Year's. I'm sure to post it hopefully really soon here, and I hope you have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.